We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC 9320 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace the transfer belt or the belt unit for your printer. So if you've been getting a replaced belt unit or belt unit low and you don't know what that is, we're going to show you what it is and we're going to show you how to replace it and get rid of that error message. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is go to make sure your printer is turned on and in its normal ready state. So just its regular main screen. After that, we're going to open up the top of this printer. So you're going to grab this blue handle at the front of the printer, lift it until the top cover clicks into its open position. And now we need to remove all four of our drums and toners. So we're just going to start by taking out the black. Make sure you set all of these on a clean, dry, flat surface so they're not going to go anywhere and not going to damage any of the components. So we'll get all four of these set off to the side here. Now once you get all of these taken out and you look inside the machine, you'll see a big green handle located up at the front of the printer. And if you lift up on that green handle, this is actually your belt unit. So very important when you're moving these that you never want to touch anything on this film. If you do, you can cause a lot of print quality issues. So it's very important that you try to don't touch that. That's what this green handle is for, is to make sure that you have a safe place to hold and carry this. So please use it and don't grab it anywhere else. It's too easy to touch something. Like I said, you don't want to cause any kind of print defects because of it. So we've successfully removed our old belt unit that needs to be replaced. Once you have your new one, it's unpacked and ready to go. You're going to do the same thing. You're going to take it by the green handle. You're going to slide it into the back of the machine. Lower down your green handle, you'll feel it kind of click down into place. And it's just that simple. We've successfully replaced our belt unit. Now we just need to reinstall all of our drums and toners. So just take a second to get all these back in. Alright, so all of our toners are back into place and we can lower this top cover. Okay. So now we've successfully replaced our belt unit, and now we need to tell the printer that it's been replaced and it'll get rid of that error message that's on the screen. So we're going to give the printer a second to initialize and come back to its normal ready state, and then we'll show you how to get rid of that error message. Alright, so the printer is back to its normal ready state. We're still getting that error message, so we need to tell the printer that we've replaced that belt unit so it goes away. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to use your menu button, and you're going to scroll through until you find the machine info tab. Then go ahead and click OK. And now we're going to scroll down. We're going to select reset, the reset option. Hit OK. And we're going to scroll down and we'll see belt unit. Select belt unit. Hit OK again. It's going to ask you, do you want to replace? Hit OK. And then just like that, we've now replaced our belt unit. And we've told the printer that it's been replaced, so it's actually reset that message and it won't come back until it's time to replace it again. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please reach out and let us know so we can help supply those for you as well. Other than that, we hope you have a great day in your backup and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.